hell to the no. I'm sorry.
You're about to what?
Pee myself.
Oh, no. What the are these colors, though?
Even after 20 years, it doesn't get any easier to watch this. Trading Spaces premiered October 13, 2000. It's basically like a decoration / interior design, like a home renovation show. They only get $1,000 and they have 48 hours to do this. And again, did I mention that it's the neighbors who are making all these choices? So hopefully you have a good relationship with them.
I know you guys did work hard. I know it was contentious over there. But over here, they were working really hard too. And you do have a brand new basement.
All right.
That is a lounge where you can entertain. Open your eyes.
Babe, open first.
He did. He did it.
All right. Tell me the
open.
truth
Oh
and
my
don't
God.
lie.
As brave as you are in life.
He doesn't look happy.
Oh, no. What the are these colors, though? Okay. Okay, I can live with a couple of things.
Look at the host. She's like, oh God, okay. Is there gas in the tank? Because we gotta go. She looks stressed out. The host is like, are we done?
Okay. Okay, I can live with a couple of things.
Okay, what can you live with?
Stop.
Okay, I can live with this bar.
This bar was built by Joni.
What?
Okay.
Yeah,
Joni
what?
did a
First of
damn
all,
good
why
job.
is this orange? What is this? Who are you entertaining? The Teletubbies? Who's gonna live here? It looks like the basement of one of those startup pizza places. She's like, what can you live with? Let's start there. The oxygen in the room? Okay, that's good.
This bar was built by Joni.
Okay.
Joni did a damn good job. I can live with this.
This is what they chose from the tent.
They did good.
Did they? He's done.
Okay.
Do you like
Yeah.
the geometric pattern on the
I
wall?
do.
Like, what if
I
you
do.
just tape that out again and painted it different colors?
I could do that. I would really have appreciated if that were gray.
Take a look at this artwork.
You're making it worse. The host is trying to damage control. It's not working. I'm afraid. The host name is Paige. Paige, it's time to walk out right now.
Take a look at this artwork. This is really cool.
Stop.
It's like it was a whole cool process. Terry did that. I think it's really
Do you guys see?
Nice if it were the right color.
Do you guys see the words that are separated here? I'm gonna have them stay right there for this, but I don't. Do you guys see that? The fact that they separated this word and put it and framed it and put it on the wall. Diabolical. Who wants this framed? Why would you frame the word cocktails? No one's looking at this and going, oh my God, how much for that? Who's going to stare at this and be like, wow, my word. Incredible artwork. Picasso, 19th century.
It was a whole cool process. Terry did that. I think it's really neat.
It's really nice if it were the right color. I'm
Well, you
not
can't
feeling
change the
this.
color on that. You would have to just do it over.
I like this.
Do you
whole
like the brick, the faux
do.
brick?
Listen, all right now, because you knew I wasn't gonna like these colors.
There was gonna be brown stripe.
Lies,
I wasn't letting that happen.
lies.
She looks like, oh no, this is not what she looks shocked. Aren't you guys the ones responsible for this? Because now she's telling her neighbor, like, oh, I wanted something about wanting brown.
There was gonna be brown stripe.
Lies,
I wasn't letting that happen.
lies.
I cannot remember ever a time
Where the designs were
we
good?
have had two negative reveals in one show.
It's not so much negative. But
It's not so much,
just-
okay, make me feel better.
I
Make
mean,
me feel
it just
better.
It's the
needs a
initial
little
shot.
more.
Yeah.
Clinton Kelly was a guest designer for us this time around. It was his first time. Now,
Was it?
who did your space over there? Tell them who it was.
Tell them who it was. Snitch on each other. So I can stay out of it. I'm not responsible. I'm just the host of the show. And then she goes on to say, this is the first time that we've gotten two negative reveal reactions. It's not clicking. What is that one meme? It's not clicking, Kevin? What's not clicking, Steven? She's about to ruin this relationship. She's like, tell them who designed this and picked out the colors. Yeah, it was. Which neighbor was it? I'm gonna let you guys take care of this part. Okay. Goodbye.
Now, who did your space over there? Tell them who it was.
It was Hildy. Now, I like Hildy, personality-wise, we kind of vibed a little bit, but I don't like her style at all. She can keep that over in France where she is.
Okay.
I'm grateful that you guys did not lie about your reaction. You were honest, and that's also in the name of the game, right? You got to get it done in 2 days, spend the budget, and you can't know what's happening until it's all over, but you don't have to like it. Come in tight, group hug, bring it in.
A group hug is crazy. That's crazy.
For trading
She's like,
please.
this stuff happens. Okay, enjoy your blue walls. Asking for a group hug? Paige, come on. Even after 20 years, doesn't get any easier to watch this.
Thank you guys so much for trading spaces. And please, our carpenters were great, right? Ty and Joni. They gave you guys the one thing you liked in each room, right?
Yes.
And please, let's thank our designers, Hildy and Clinton. They worked very hard planning these rooms and bringing you guys all along. And you had a great time. Didn't you have a great time? Okay, so thank you to our teams. You guys worked
had a
so
great
hard.
time.
Thank you, our designers and our carpenters. I'm Paige
She's like,
Davis.
thank
That's
you
the
to everyone.
Trading
Thank you to all those involved in ruining these people's homes. This in the back would have sent me over the edge. It's a choice. It's a choice that someone made. Okay, let's read the comments. Why does she always decorate these rooms as if it's 1970? And 1970 would have been better than whatever this. I don't even think this one has a time period. This looks like it was decorated by someone who would have lived, laugh, love all over their cushions and walls. No, because did you see what was on the walls? There was no living, laughing, or loving that. The room looks really cold, like a cold dungeon. Does not look comfortable for lounging in at all. It's definitely giving Lego Hospital, where no one survives. The fact that both of the designers didn't listen to them when they kept telling them the other wouldn't like it is crazy. I truly believe Hildy does these things to be cruel. She gets some kind of kick out of it. Is that the interior designer's name, Hildy? So these are the neighbors from the clip that we just watched.
Open your eyes and see your new room.
What the What? Hell to the no. I'm sorry. Where is the pool table?
The pool table is right there. This is just a topper. It comes right off.
Okay.
They put a ping pong table over it?
So it's great for your grandson. And it's, multi-purpose.
No, it's not the time, girl.
I'm about to pee myself.
Paige.
Literally.
Paige, Habibta, it's time. I've been telling you to leave since the first clip. You're still here. The fact that it was like a moment of silence. They're like, is this hell? They need a therapist on this show for afterwards. Like here's our therapist after after we finish rolling. Go and speak to her. It could be worse, but what is this supposed to be? They put like 2 pillows on this. Is it like a bed of some kind? They put a random yellow chair in the back. They have red curtains. This TV above the whatever this is. It's supposed to be a couch? You don't need to be able to see color to know that this doesn't match.
I'm about to pee myself. Literally.
You're about to what?
Pee myself.
Okay, something else I really want you to see is they did do a really cool bar over here. Your old cabinets and shelving things that they've retrofitted and recreated out to make a whole bar area.
This even match.
Fine. I love this. But all I asked for was a Prince room.
She got your little red Corvette in here.
Okay.
The walls.
What is that?
This is disgusting.
She wanted a Prince-inspired room, and they're like, here's that little toy car. There was like stuff on the walls, and then now they show artwork. They do a zoom in. They think this is impressive. They're like, look at our custom art. Who did this? A 10-year-old? What on earth is this? These random sticks that you glued on this wall. Nothing matches.
All I asked for was a Prince room.
She got your little red Corvette in here.
Well, you guys, this is embarrassing for you guys to do. They do a zoom in pan for this car. They're like, here it is. And then it's next to the Eiffel Tower. What does France have to do with this? Listen, they are busy protesting for higher wages. Okay, don't bring them into this. God, this just looks awful. They asked her husband what was his fave part of the room, and he said the upstairs. God, stop. Thanks for making our room look like a doctor's office for children. That's very accurate. They made it into a senior assisted living. For those wondering, this is Trading Spaces season 9, episode 5. This is their best at season 9. I want to see the earlier seasons then. Holy crap. You know, the husband's clocked out. He's like, I'll leave it up to God at this point. That was horrendous. Okay, let's see the next one. Are they all bad?
Our designers love Trading Spaces because they can just get an idea and do it. But some of those design ideas are a little daring, and our homeowners aren't always happy with the results.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, is that the after? Okay, somehow that's worse.
Laurie's sunburst partition split Chris and Casey's bedroom just like it split their reactions. He liked it, and she, well, take a look.
You're in your new bedroom. Open your eyes.
Oh my gosh, that is really cool. I love the headboard.
Oh, definitely the thing above the bed has got to go.
Yeah.
That's got to go.
Wow, I love it. I love these walls.
Why is there a mirror above the bed? Who's gonna look and be like, you know what, I gotta check my makeup in this mirror above the headboard? I feel like I have more experience than these interior designers. Like, why would they put this like mini, like it's like troll sized lamp?
That's got to go.
Wow, I love it. I love these walls. These sunburst walls are really cool.
Oh, no. I don't like that.
You don't like the sunburst or you don't like the partition?
I don't like the partitions, no.
I love it.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like anything about it?
God bless. Paige is really trying here. She's like, would you like the color? No. Do you like the style? No. The dust that's going to settle on this and you have to clean? Good luck. Good luck getting the dust particles out of this little crack right here. The sunburst crack. No one's going to want to clean that, okay? And guess what? The wife is going to be doing that. That's why she's like, I hate this.
You don't like anything about it?
I do like the dresser. That's really nice.
The dress.
You
I
like
like the drapes. I just absolutely hate the partitions and the color.
I love the drapes.
And the color.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you think if you
I really like
painted-
the separation in the room.
Isn't that what
So
you guys just
he
did?
likes the partitions.
Paige, I can't defend this. I can't. She's like, you know how we just did a whole renovation and repainted everything and did, put all that stuff up? What if you redid it, repainted, and undid everything that we just did? Would you like it then? What are you talking about, Paige?
Do you think if you
I really like
painted-
the separation in the room.
So he likes the partitions.
Yeah.
He's a man. What does he know? Men will have a mattress with no headboard and a beanbag chair, and they'll be like, this is my house. Welcome to my apartment. And then have like a bag of chips on the floor. He's like, I like this.
Yeah.
I'm sure he does. Doesn't mean they're going to stay, but I'm sure he does.
Wow.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
Not a good time.
Yeah, I love it.
They're like, here's some
I love
wine.
it.
You guys
I love
did a
it.
beautiful job.
Thanks.
Hi, Casey.
Hi, Bob. How are you? Hello. I'll be working hard tomorrow.
We said that.
Come on in,
You
guys.
might not like the partitions, but we liked them.
I'm sure you do.
Okay,
You
then
wanna
you
help me
put.
take him down?
He's like, well, we like them, so we put them in your home. They're supposed to design based on the aesthetic of their neighbor, not based on what they like. He's like, actually, I personally I chose that, the sunburst on the wall that when you just said you hated. That was all me. When I come into your room at night, that's why I got it, so I can stare at it at night. When I break into your house, I can come look at it. That's why I chose that one specifically. This is not for you, Scott.
Come on in,
You
guys.
might not like the partitions, but we liked them.
I'm sure you do. You want to help me take him down?
Usually, hay is for horses, but not when Hildy
a pink
redesigns
ceiling.
the room. April and Leslie certainly didn't expect it on
Stop.
their walls.